In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to use icons and heroes in manager career mode on FC26. So as you all know, choosing icons and heroes in player career is much easier than manager career. So we just have to go into player career, then start a new player career from here. After that, we need to choose fresh season, then go with use current squads, and we will get play as icon player option straight away. We just have to select it. Icons can be unlocked or uploaded, and EA keeps adding more over time. For example, in season 1, David Beckham is one of the unlockable icons. Then choose any of the icons from here and you can start your player career. But it's not just for player career, you can also use these icons in manager career mode now. All we have to do is firstly go back from here. When you go into manager career and create a new career, select original from here. After that, we need to create a new save slot. So I'm just gonna create new one here, and then we need to go for fresh new season. After that, we can use current squads. Now we have two options. If you wanna customize your manager, then go for the first option. But if you wanna use any real manager, then go for the second one, which I'll be choosing, and then choose any of the manager from here. So let's say I wanna go for this manager. I can just select that. Now here's the mistake many people do. They just simply advance from here and they didn't get the icons and heroes option. So to fix that, we need to scroll down here and select change team, and then we'll get this icons and heroes option. Select this, and then we can see all of the icons and heroes which are currently available in FC26. Some will be available right away, while others will unlock as you progress through season 1 and future updates. So I wanna add all of them. So for that, I can just select them by pressing A or cross on PlayStation. So I want all of them, so I'll just select that. Then press menu key or option button on your PlayStation like so, and those icons and heroes will be added on your squad. Now we need to choose the team you wanna play for. So let's say I wanna go for Real Madrid. Then I can just select that. Then press A or cross to advance from here. In case you wanna release any players to free up spots in your squad, then you can go for the first option, which is yes. But I don't wanna release any players, so for that I'll just select no option from here. Now you can manage the settings for your manager career, such as difficulty level, simulation, manager market. So you can go through all of these options and set these according to you. Now I wanna advance from here, press main menu or option button. So I wanna create new save slot here, then name your manager career. After that, we need to sign our contract, and once you sign it, your manager career will be created with icons and heroes. And now to see them on our squad, we need to go to the squad tab. After that, go to team management. And now if I scroll down to the reserves, then I'll be able to see all of the icons here. You can see Veron, then we have this Clivert, Torres. So all of the icons are now added. You can just select any of the icons from there and add them onto your squad like so. So this is the complete process to add icons and heroes in manager career mode. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.